Hello everyone, today we're diving into the Frida Baby Ultimate Baby Kit, the perfect baby shower gift set packed with 10 essential products for newborns and infants. This all-in-one kit includes 6-day essentials like the NoseFrida SnotSucker nasal aspirator to clear away mucus, and the MediFrida Accu-Dose Paci medicine pacifier dispenser that ensures the right dose without spit up. For instant gas relief, meet Windi Gaspasser, a safe and natural solution that instantly relieves gas and calms colic with its innovative design. When it comes to grooming, the SnipperClipper Set offers a uniquely designed nail clipper with a safety spy hole for precise and safe trimming, perfect for those tiny newborn nails. The kit also features DermaFrida SkinSoother, a 100% silicone brush that helps remove dry skin, cradle cap, and eczema, while the soft bristled brush and styling comb keep your baby's hair under control. With the Frida Baby Ultimate Baby Kit, new parents are equipped with everything they need to tackle the challenges of caring for a little one. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out this must-have kit for all your baby care needs. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.